The biggest strength of a spreadsheet is its ability to calculate results. What I'd like to do now is enter a formula in the cell B9. Rule number 1 is click in the cell that's to display the answer, so I'm going to click in B9. Rule number 2 is always start a formula with the equals sign, so I'm going to press the equals key near my backspace key. Rule number 3, when it comes to referring to cells, it's best to use your mouse to click on a cell, so I'm going to click on B4. Rule number 4, when it comes to doing addition, and particularly using the plus key, use the plus key on your number pad, which resides at the right hand side of your keyboard. And then I'm going to click on B5. And the final rule, rule number 5, is to press enter when you want to see the result. I see the answer 30, and when I click on the cell B9 and I look up in the formula bar, I can see the formula that's sitting in B9 is equals B4 plus B5. B4 contains the value 10, B5 contains the value 20, and that's why I'm seeing the answer 30 sitting in the cell B9.